children, today is Friday, almost end of July. We're going to do our activity book, page 12. Before we start, let's read. Floor, floor, flower, flower, fly, fly, florist, florist, flat, flat, flap, flap. Please write the date. Teacher want to play a game with you. Circle the correct picture. Number 1. Floor. Floor. Which picture is the correct answer? Yes, you are right. Number 2. Flower. Flower. Number 3. Fly. Fly. Number 4. Florist. Florist. Number 5. Flat. Flat. Number 6. Flap. Flap. Congrats! All correct. Well done. We'll meet again next week. Bye-bye.